Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. This is all about how do you start a sketchbook. You get a sketchbook that makes you feel happy and you love it and it's beautiful, and it might be incredibly expensive if you've splashed out because you really want to start an excellent sketchbook. And then you don't start because it is so precious and you don't know what to do because nothing is going to be as gorgeous as your sketchbook. Sketchbooks aren't about perfection, they're about practice. So, 3 tips to get you started in your sketchbook. 1, just put a splash of colour in there. I always write my name on the first page. I know we used to do this at school, but write my name, and I usually write my email address so that if I lose it, someone can get it back to me. That's kind of rather important. And then I'll just do a scribble. It could be anything, just to put something on the page and then it's not precious. Tip 2 even, turn to page 3. Make your first page, page 3. Then it's kind of hidden. You don't feel as if you open the sketchbook up, you get your first thing, it's on page 3, because then you can get into the flow, practice, and then maybe when you're feeling a little bit more happy and comfortable, go back to page 1. You don't have to do these things in order. And that segues rather beautifully to tip 3. Use one of these higgledy-piggledy sketchbooks. These are fabulous. You can make them yourself so they're not precious. Remember, sketching is about practice, not perfection. And these are great fun because there is no page 1. And it's really nice to do something that you've made yourself. If you would like a video on how to make one of these, click the link in the comments. I hope this has been helpful to you. I've gone to my 2 minutes. So like, subscribe, come and join the Smart Art Academy. You will get a sketching prompt every single week. And I hope to see you soon. See you next week on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.